हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पर्सनल बायसनेस, प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल जस्टिस का न्यू टाइप, दैट इज पर्सनल बायस. वी नो that different kind of bias have been explained in a principle of natural justice, out of which personal bias is exist, where certain type of a relationship or any other type of a cause, the judge may have a bias in favor of or against one of the parties. पर्सनल बायसनेस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो वहाँ पर अराइज होता है जहाँ पर जजेस का पार्टीज़ के साथ कोई रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट हुआ है. अब जजेस जो डिसीजन का फेवर या तो पार्टीज़ के फेवर में लेगा या फिर अगेंस्ट दी पार्टीज़ लेगा. इन दैट टाइप ऑफ अ डिसीजन देयर इज नो कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द principle of a natural justice, which is very necessary component of our justice. So personal bias arises from a relation between the party and deciding authority. Bias is the term bias, पहले आप समझिए what is the meaning of a term bias. Bias is a prejudice in favor of, against one thing, person or group compared with another. It is usually way to be unfair. पर्सनल बायस में हमेशा हम जो जजेस और एजुकेटिंग अथॉरिटीज़ मीन्स डिसाइडिंग अथॉरिटीज़ होगी वो किसी एक दूसरी पार्टीज़ के साथ अनफेयर कर रही है. लेट अस डिस्कस द केस ओवर पर्सनल बायस. First, very important case for the point of view of your competitive exam, that is the case of Vaidyanath Mahapatra versus state. In this AIR, if you remember the AIR, then it is better. Otherwise, simply remember the name of the case. That is, which case deals with our personal bias. Vaidyanath Mahapatra versus state. In this case, Supreme Court quashed the order of the tribunal confirming premature retirement on the ground that is the chairman of the tribunal was also a member of the review committee which had recommended premature retirement. इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो ट्रिब्यूनल का डिसीजन था उसको क्वैश कर दिया, because here the chairman of the tribunal was also a member of the review committee. जो चेयरपर्सन था, चेयरमैन था, वो खुद एक कमेटी का मेंबर था. So ultimately there is a chances of a personal biasness. In other words, if you want to explain the term personal bias, it means any relationship arising between the adjudicating authorities and the parties can lead to personal bias. The adjudicating authority might be a friend, relative, or might have any professional relation. It means जो deciding authorities है, that is our judges or any other person, mediator or any third party, it may be friend, relatives or any other type of a professional relation. So remember, जो जज होगा और डिसाइडिंग अथॉरिटीज होगा उसका पार्टीज के साथ किसी भी तरह का कोई रिलेशनशिप एग्जिस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. आइदर ना तो उसका फ्रेंड होना चाहिए, ना ही वो उसका रिलेटिव, और इवन कोई प्रोफेशनल रिलेशन भी उनके बीच में सेटअप नहीं होना चाहिए. ओनली दैट पर्सन इज अ एक्यूरेट डिसाइडिंग अथॉरिटी. Another case is T State versus Workman. In this case, the manager was accused of beating the workman and the inquiry for said allegation was conducted by the manager himself. which is against the principle of natural justice. So, the court disqualified the manager on the ground of a personal bias. इस केस में जो मैनेजर था वो एक्यूज था बीटिंग द वर्कमैन, एंड इंक्वायरी के समय जब मैनेजर हिमसेल्फ उस इंक्वायरी का पार्ट बना, सो नेचुरली देयर वाज अ चांसेस ऑफ अ पर्सनल बायसनेस. तो कोर्ट ने उस डिसीजन को और डिस्क्वालीफाई किया मैनेजर on the ground of personal bias. Then another important case of personal bias is in Kotel versus Kotel. The chairman of the bench was a friend of the wife's family who had instituted matrimonial proceeding against her husband. The wife had told the husband that chairman would decide the case in her favor. The divisional court ordered rehearing. It later turned out that chairman was a friend of wife's family. So in all these cases there is a chances of a personal bias which is against the principle of natural justice. So thank you. In our next video we will discuss about next bias, that is pecuniary biasness.